Yes, you heard it right. If you are not aware about this four pillar of entire marketing, then your Facebook ad campaign cannot be a successful campaign. Or even if your Facebook ad campaign is generating result, but at the end of it you are not making much profit, or you cannot scale it, because these four are the fundamental of Facebook ad campaign, or you can say it's a fundamental of any advertisement. So you have to know about this before running any campaign, because otherwise the chances are really high that you will lose money on your Facebook ad campaign. So let's get started to know this four pillar, and I'm definitely sure after knowing this four pillar you will be better at Facebook advertisement and overall understanding about the business. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Darshak Tala and I am a Facebook ad strategist working with multinational clients and providing them Facebook ad as a service. I specifically work with coaches, consultants and service-based business and helping them to get more leads for their business. So based on my experience, I extracted this four pillar which will going to help you also if you are running ads for your own business, or you are some freelancer or some agency owner who is running ads for your client. So let's get started to understand what are these four pillars. So the first one is called funnel. Now somebody might aware about the term funnel, or some of you might not know what funnel is. So let me just give you a definition about the funnel. So the funnel is basically when a customer try to follow a path to make any purchase. So what all the stage they are going. Let's suppose if I want to buy a particular laptop, then what all the steps I do before buying a laptop. So mapping out those journey, mapping out those entire process, it is called the funnel. So basically if you consider it like that in a funnel, what you do as a marketer is you make sure that your customer takes particular action in their journey so that it will reach to the destination, and destination is purchase. So that is called the funnel. You might be feeling overwhelmed with the definition, but now let me give you examples so that you'll get better clarity on this concept. Now let's suppose I want to promote Facebook ad as a program which is costing around $1,000, $2,000. Now if I will run simple Facebook ad and sending people to my sales page which is telling them that pay $1,000, $2,000 and buy this course, will this going to work? What do you think? People will take action or will they buy? No, right? Why? Because they don't know me, they don't trust me. And when anybody has to take some buying decision, particularly when they are buying high value products, when they are paying very much high value for any particular product, there has to be a trust. Let me give you one more practical example to explain it better. So let's suppose you are going to a showroom to buy a car. Now you have two options. One is Mercedes car, and at the same price there is another company which brand or a company you never heard of it. So what are the chances that you buy this particular car over Mercedes? There is nothing, right? You always buy Mercedes. Why? Because you trust Mercedes, because you have heard of Mercedes, you are familiar with Mercedes brand, and overall you have a couple of review, you have people who are advocating Mercedes and all of this, right? Why all these parameters are actually impacting your decision? Because this all parameter build trust. And this is how, if we are directly promoting any offer, any service through Facebook ad, people are not going to buy, because so far we have not done any trust building process with them, and that's why they are not going to buy. And that's how our ad will not perform if we directly promote our product. Let me give you another and last example which will completely explain, or which will give you the final thoughts that okay, this is the system which is working. Because the guy which I am referring, he is a billionaire and he is a well-known influencer in majority of the country, and the name is Grant Cardone. Now you can see here in this screenshot, Grant Cardone has a 10x workshop which is like his final product which is costing around $50,000. Now let's go to some couple of screenshots which how Grant Cardone is promoting this offer. So if you can see here in this screenshot, so he is not promoting direct $50,000 product. Even if he is a massive influencer, people directly can buy $50,000 product from him, because he has built so much of trust through his content, through his YouTube and Instagram and so on and so forth. But still he is not doing it. What he is doing is he is promoting 10x webinar or workshop for free. You can see here in the ad library on this screenshot. So like that, this system is called the funnel. So before running ad, you make sure that you have funnel in place. You have a lead magnet, you have a final product, and you have a follow-up system. So always run ads to the lead magnet, because lead magnet are free and they are like very low ticket products, so people will click on it and algorithm will get a good signal and the cost per lead or cost per overall result will go down, and that's how you make your ads more profitable. Now let's go to the second pillar of successful ad campaign, and that is we called as a targeting option. So guys, if you are in a coaching business or in any business for that matter, it's definitely important that you know your customer well. There are two ways you can do targeting in Facebook or in any advertisement platform. One way is the demographic targeting, and the another way, which is the add-on to demographic, is the interest-based targeting. Now, if you go to demographic, so you should know where your customer lies, basically geographical location. Second thing, you should know the age range, age group of your ideal customer. Then you should know the language they are speaking. Then you should know the what all the like, is it the man, the product is for men, product is for women, or both will buy. So this basic demographic parameter you should know about your customer. Then on top of it, if you have to make really successful Facebook ad campaign, you definitely have to try interest based targeting. And how you are going to do is, so you have to know that, okay, what are the interest your ideal customer is going to. Let's suppose if I am promoting Facebook ad as a service, so I will target people who are in the coaching industry, who are following some big guys like Gary Vee, because he is producing business related content. So I am going to target people who are interested in Gary Vee, because those are my target audience. So like that, you should know what are your what are your ideal customers' interests, and that's how you create a granular targeting system. And that's how this targeting system will make your campaign way more successful than directly going broad through the Facebook. So just make sure before running ads, you should be very clear with your targeting option. Now, third pillar of any successful campaign is creatives. Creatives by I mean is the image or a video, because this is what the people will be seeing if we are running any ads. So now let's just do one by one and see what kind of the basic requirements should be there if we are running ads on Facebook. So image, Facebook is telling us, you can see here in the screenshot, that if you are putting image with text, so in that entire image, only 20% proportion should be in the text format, and rather 80%, the remaining 80% part has to be with the photos, because this is the most converting format, and that's why Facebook is recommending all advertisers to do the same. So if you are promoting any product, if you are promoting any service through images, just make sure that whatever the text you are making, whatever the text you are putting in the image, it has to be occupying only 20% of the entire photo. So this is the ideal practice. Facebook recommend us to do this. Second way, what kind of text we have to put. Like, so here it's a psychological thing we have to understand. So any pain point, any problem which our customer are facing, that has to be well curated in the text format. Let's suppose, I'll again give you my Facebook ad example. So if I have to promote my webinar or some offer in which I will explain Facebook ad, so what I will write: are you struggling to get maximum ROI from your Facebook ad? Right? If you are running Facebook ad, this is going to be your problem statement. This is the pain you are getting if you are not being successful with the Facebook ad, or if you are running Facebook ad but still you are not getting result. So this text I can put. Other second text I can put, like, are you thinking to create a career in Facebook ad? Do you want to become a performance marketer? So like that. So I have to do the research about what are the pain points my customers are facing, and out of those pain points I have to curate well and put the text format, right? Along with the pain point, the must second thing which every image ad has to be there is the CTA. You have to people what they have to do once they see the image. So let's suppose if I am put any click here, join now, get instant access. This is called the CTA, call to action. So that button, that text has to be there in your image. So then only people will get to know, okay, they have to take some action while watching the video or seeing this image. So make sure you put any CTA on the image. Now let's discuss about the video format, like what kind of the video script or how the video should be there. So I follow the format which is like many legend has already spoken about this format. It is called hook, story, offer. So I have little bit tweaked it. So how you will present, let's suppose if you have to create a video script, first line has to be highlighting the pain point of your customer. Then followed by second, you have to offer the solution in the same video format. Third, you have to explain about yourself, because remember, you have to create authority. People should trust you. And then fourth, you have to give them a CTA, call to action, that join my webinar, registration, do the registration, get instant access, download now, etc. So let's suppose if I again give you the example of the Facebook ad. So if I have to shoot a video for Facebook ad, so what I'll do, are you struggling to get positive ROI for your Facebook ad? So this is going to be my pain point, or customers who are facing this problem. Now what solution I will give? Then you might be probably doing wrong with your targeting. So this is the solution which I'm providing. Okay, if your Facebook ad campaign is not performing, that means you might have done some wrong thing in the targeting. Then third, I will explain about myself. I will build some authority. So I have done this. I have so many years of experience, like that I will speak. And at the end of the video, I will say, okay, join on my, click on the link below and join my workshop, in which I am going to discuss about all this strategy which I use to get granular targeting system and get the positive ROI for Facebook ad. So like this, you have to create a video script for yourself, for your business, or you have to suggest your client to create video like this, because this works really well. So this was our third pillar. Now let's discuss about the fourth and last pillar, which is called the offer. Here offer doesn't mean any discount or any coupon code, but offer mean pack your product, pack your service in such a way that whenever your target audience see that, they are like dying to buy that. They feel that, oh my god, I wanted exactly this product, I want exactly this service. So pack it in a such a way that your customer feel that if I will not buy it, I will be a fool. So there has to be a guilt if they are not buying. So you have to package it like that. You have to create such offer, and it is called the irresistible offer. In this video, I cannot explain everything about offer, because it is really big and broad topic, and everybody has to understand it in the depth. So we will cover it in the another video. So make sure you watch that video as well. As of now, if you are running any Facebook ad campaign, make sure you have this 4 pillar in place, and then only you start your Facebook ad campaign. I'll guarantee you will get good success with Facebook ad, and your client, if you're running it for your client, they will also happy. And if you're running it for your own business, you will get maximum profit. See you soon in the next video with another Facebook advertisement strategies. Bye.